The Reserve Bank of India today held a press conference in wake of the extraordinary economic situation that has turned out because of the coronavirus attack that has impacted the entire world, and India is no exception to it. We have seen a coordinated global effort across central banks, across most countries. We have seen during the weekend how the US Fed Reserve actually cut the Fed rates by 100 basis points. In fact, there have been about 43 rate cuts across many locations in the last month or so. And while there was a lot of expectation that the Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta is actually going to announce a rate cut, that did not come about. But what did he do? This is what he did. There are two big announcements that he made so far as the COVID-19 impact on the Indian economy is concerned. One, he said that the Reserve Bank of India, the central bank, is going to conduct another tranche of dollar swap ratio. Remember, dollar swap ratio is aimed at infusing liquidity into the forex market in India. This comes in the wake of the persistent fall in India's rupee because of an outflow of foreign portfolio investors buying dollars and moving out of India. And this is going to, the RBI on March 16th actually conducted the $2 billion dollar swap ratio. That is going to be repeated again on March 23rd. It is, as I said, is an attempt to infuse more liquidity into the stressed forex market in the Indian banking system and to prop up the rupee. That is what the RBI is going to do. The RBI governor also announced that the central bank is going to conduct what is called the long-term repo operation of up in multiple tranches of up to rupees 1 lakh crore. That is again a liquidity infusion tool which is at the disposal of the central bank, which the RBI has now used to ensure the system, the banking system, is flush with enough liquidity so that it is emboldened with enough reserves to prop up the economy, which is now being battered from most sides because of the impact of coronavirus across the world. What the RBI governor did not do, however, and despite heightened expectations, is to announce a rate cut. But has a rate cut been rolled out? We do not know yet. In fact, he said that he hasn't ruled out anything. But there is a bit of a clue in what the RBI governor said and what the RBI could actually do. And something that he said gave a bit of a clue. He was rushing out to a video conference. He said there is an important meeting that he has to attend, and this is going to be a video conference. He also said in the same breath that interest rate related decisions are taken by the Monetary Policy Committee. India, as we know, has moved into a Monetary Policy Committee driven interest rate related decision. It is not just entirely at the discretion of the RBI governor, which was previously the case. He did not say that the MPC is going to take a decision only in the next credit policy, which is due on April 3rd. Is the MPC going to take a decision before April 3rd? And is the video conference that Shaktikanta Das referred to actually pertains to an MPC meeting, which could probably end up cutting interest rates? For that, we have to wait and see.